Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the strategy and methods for studying Anthropology Optional for the UPSC IAS exam. There are many ways to approach this, and everyone has their own methods and techniques for learning a new subject. When it comes to such a vast subject which needs to be covered in a limited time along with other papers, it requires a solid strategy so that you don't end up wasting time on less important parts of the syllabus. This requires a proven method, one that we have known since childhood. First, we learn the absolute basics, such as the alphabets. Then we form words, then sentences, and then finally we derive meaning out of those sentences. Similarly, everything in anthropology can be understood in the form of evolution, meaning from its absolute basics to the advanced concepts. To do this, it requires you to study the topics of the syllabus in a particular sequence, which we will discuss later in this video.
So before we move forward, I have something very important to tell you. Please listen carefully. So Anthroholic has launched its complete study material for Anthropology Optional, which includes complete paper 1 notes, complete paper 2 notes, and all the previous year question papers arranged topic wise in this PDF. These are 3 books. It's a combination of 3 books which you can download instantly from the link given in the description below. These notes are recently updated and are new, which contains the latest case studies, latest example, and the material updated as per the latest exam pattern. The link is given in the description below. The price is 999 rupees only. You can download it now from the link in the description below. And if you want to connect with us, you can follow us on Instagram at Anthroholic and join our Telegram channel for regular updates at Anthroholic. Thank you.
Now I will share with you 4 ways to start your preparation for Anthropology Optional subject. Method 1. Step by step from first topic till the last of both the papers. Go straight from finishing one topic to the next as given in the syllabus. This is a no-brainer. In this method, you simply go from topic 1, then 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and all the way till the topic 12 of paper 1. You follow the sequence of the official syllabus. However, there are some issues with this method, which we will discuss later in this video. Method 2. Dividing the syllabus into branches. Physical biological anthropology, social cultural anthropology, archaeological anthropology, and linguistic anthropology. This method involves dividing the syllabus into 4 branches and then studying everything accordingly. Method 3 involves classifying the syllabus into more subdivisions beyond just the branches of anthropology. Then classify all the topics into these subcategories and study them accordingly. Method 4. Similar to method 3, but first covering the basic concepts of all the topics in the syllabus, followed by the advanced topics and case studies related to each concept. Now the fourth and the best method is evolutionary method, going from the basic to the advanced topics across all categories in the syllabus, ensuring you understand everything in a sequential order without missing anything. Studying everything as micro topics will help in understanding the basics of everything. As I mentioned earlier, the problem with method 1, where you study everything in the order of the syllabus, is that the syllabus is scattered. Topics are divided and placed in different sections, making it challenging to understand. For instance, the syllabus begins with an introduction to anthropology, followed by the topics related to evolution, which are part of physical biological anthropology. Then moves to social cultural anthropology, and then again back to genetics, which is part of physical biological anthropology. And finally, it ends with applications of anthropology, which is topic 12. For beginners, it can be difficult to understand where to start and how to proceed. To simplify this, let me walk you through the division of the syllabus we have prepared for you. By studying the syllabus in this order, you'll find it much easier to understand each topic and connect the dots. The syllabus of Anthropology Optional is quite scattered. If you study topics one by one, nothing will seem connected. We have created a strategy and order for preparing the syllabus to address the issue. The order of preparing the topics in the syllabus is as follows. For paper 1, start with evolution, and in evolution, prepare the topic 1.7 first, because this will clear all your basics. It contains topics such as cell, DNA structure, protein synthesis, what is a gene, what is a chromosome, what is cell division. So it will give you the basic idea of biology and topics which are related to biology inside evolution. After studying topic 1.7, go for topic 1.4, which is about the basics of human evolution. Then 1.5, which is about primatology. So with this, you will finish evolution and its basic. 1.7, 1.4, and 1.5. Then comes the basics of social cultural anthropology. In this, what you will do, you will go in the order of the syllabus. First, start with topic 2.1, the nature of culture. Then topic 2.2, the nature of society. 2.3, marriage. 2.4, family. 2.5, kinship. 3, economic organization. 4, political organization. 5, religion. And 7, which is a topic related to linguistic anthropology but can be studied with social cultural anthropology, culture, language, and communication, which is topic 7. After you are done with social cultural anthropology basics, you can start with genetics, the topic 9 till 11.3, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11.1, 11.2, 11.3. After you are done with genetics, start with archaeology. The basics of archaeology are given in topic 1.8. First start 1.8, cover all the basics of archaeology, then go for topic 1.6, which contains the fossils. After doing archaeology, go for practical anthropology, which contains 3 topics, which includes topic 6, anthropological theories. This is the topic which overlaps with every other topic because anthropology and its theories are relevant to everything inside anthropology, be it evolution, be it society, be it culture, anything. Anthropological theories are applicable everywhere. After doing anthropological theories, go for topic 8, research methods in anthropology. After you are done with that, go for topic 12, applications of anthropology. Once you are done with all of these topics, go for introduction to anthropology. You will be able to understand much about that after finishing everything inside anthropology. Now you will be able to understand topic 1.1, meaning, scope, and development of anthropology. 1.2, relationship of anthropology with other disciplines. 1.3, main branches of anthropology. So after you have learned everything, now you will be able to better understand what the first 3 topics mean. So this is how you can finish your paper 1 syllabus very easily.
So before we move forward, I have something very important to tell you. Please listen carefully. So Anthropology has launched its complete study material for Anthropology Optional, which includes complete paper 1 notes, complete paper 2 notes, and all the previous year question papers arranged topic wise in this PDF. These are 3 books. It's a combination of 3 books which you can download instantly from the link given in the description below. These notes are recently updated and are new, which contains the latest case studies, latest example, and the material updated as per the latest exam pattern. The link is given in the description below. The price is 999 rupees only. You can download it now from the link in the description below.
Now let's talk about the strategy for paper 2. Paper 2 is very simple and is mostly about Indian anthropology. Everything about anthropology, but from an Indian perspective. Everything that you will read, prepare your notes, whatever you do, just try to make it Indian. Put the case studies related to India, put the names of the places related to India, talk about anthropologists who have written books in India. So everything that you can do should be related to India. So in paper 2, what you need to do is you need to start with the simplest of the simplest, village studies, which includes topic 5.1, 5.2, and 5.3. Once you finish this, start with Indian archaeology, which includes topic 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 of paper 2. Once you are done with that, start with Indian anthropology. This will give you the understanding and essence of Indian society, Indian culture, and everything related to India, which includes topic 2, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, topic 4, topic 9.2, and 9.3. Once you are done with all of that and you have understood Indian anthropology, now is the time to focus on the most important part in anthropology, which is studying the indigenous people. And in Indian anthropology, we call it tribal India. So which includes topics such as 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.1, 8.2 and 9.1. Once you are done with that, you have completed successfully the paper 2 of Anthropology Optional. So in this way, if you prepare the syllabus, then it will be a piece of cake for you. This is the same order in which you have to watch the videos from this course. It will be a cherry on top if you start answer writing topic wise. In the beginning, start writing just one paragraph for each topic by yourself and later full length answers on any given question. Trust me, answer writing is the key to success in UPSC. You can read all the study material available in the world, but if you will not practice answer writing, there is no point of learning or reading anything. So you should start writing answers after reading for 15 or 20 days. Once you have the basic understanding, you should immediately start practicing for the answer writing. Even if you write 2 lines, but start. Somewhere you have to start. So I hope now this is clear to you how you have to tackle this syllabus and how you have to go through this course, which videos to watch first, which videos to watch later, and in this way you can complete your entire syllabus very easily.
Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram for regular updates. I'll see you in the next one.